Hello everybody, flying solo. I think as this has become tradition, I am going to be reviewing yet again Neca 40th anniversary toy. So today we have Kane. Woohoo! So as you guys possibly know, might not know, don't know if you're paying attention or not. In the movie we're about 10 minutes in and they find the spaceship. Kane goes for a little walk. He falls in. I don't know if you guys paid attention to that, but he says he just tripped, but I feel like he was falling in on purpose by accident.
I don't know what you just said.
One head cuts off and two more will come out. That's what a Hydra is.
That was a lot of information.
You know what that means? He wanted to get a closer look, but he didn't want anybody to yell at him. So that's how I think. As always, the box is impeccable. Got great 80s artwork on the back. Take a look at that when you guys get a chance. Go ahead, pause that for a sec if you need. Awesome. Piston. Do you like my messy wife bun today? So I would like to call this look Sunday. So here we have him as they're getting ready to leave the Nostromo to board the spaceship. He is in his gear. Just take a look at the detail of this spacesuit, guys. I mean, it's just, it is flawless. Neca is impeccable when it comes to detail. I mean, the colors, the textures, the cross stitching, it's just, it's amazing. Attention to detail, everything. Look at that. Obsessed. Boots. Space boots. And if you have a stand, there you go. As far as articulation goes, head has minimal. It can look up and look down. Not bad. These shoulder pads are actually movable. They're the malleable plastic. Great. So you can actually lift his arm up. And he goes almost all the way up. Yeah, I don't believe he goes any further. And then the arm rotates, the elbow rotates, and the arm rotates, which is pretty cool. And then the hand has all points of articulation. That's great. As far as the torso, because he's got this flap in the front, but he's got the backpack in the back, it's minimal at best. It's got a little bit happening right there. He can twist the torso, but not as much as we'd like to go up and down. He can do a split. Woo! His knees do bend. It's not double jointed. Foot has some slight movement, not a lot of movement. He does have ankle pivot though. Both ankles pivot. Very good. So you can go with a pivot, but up and down is minimal. So that's pretty cool. In addition to this, he comes with 5 accessories.
Who's gonna drive you home tonight?
Better. Comes with 2 different versions of his mask. Comes with the whole mask, which is pretty cool. Very nice. The plastic piece does not come up. I wish it would. That way it can come up and down. There is no light. It would have been nice if they had put maybe reflective tape right there, so that way it can look like the light is there if the light is hitting it. I think that would have looked really nice. But the detail on this, exquisite. Just it's out of this world. I don't know who's designing these toys, but I'd love to meet them and shake their hands. They make our lives easy. Pop the head off before you're putting this on. So pop this, or I'm a dork. It does come off in 2 pieces. 2 pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and put his head back on. All right, so they do have these 2 little black wires which do move, but in the head mask, you can actually plug them in. So one goes into the bottom, and then this is the top piece. The second one goes into the top piece of that. I think that's amazing. Awesome. So it looks all connected. Isn't that cool? Comes with the face hugger, which I love. I hope my husband displays him that way. They did give him some dark hair. I don't know why, but okay. He had like, I want to say like light brownish hair, not dark brownish hair, but I will accept it. And then the face hugger though, I mean, every nook and cranny. It's absurd. Like on such a miniature level. Incredible. Space blaster gun. Look at that. Sweet. He also comes with the light, the handheld one, which I think is pretty cool. It's got this little tip. Little handle. It's like soft. Which is really nice. I feel like Matt could pop this out and like put like a light in there, like a light up LED with a little switch or something. That man of mine.
She's a little bit nervous. Maybe I should answer for her, okay?
I'm Lydia Dietz and I'm of sound mind. The man next to me is the one I want. You ask me, I'm answering. Yes, I love that man of mine.
Burned in. After the face hugger, blasted in. Face hugger. Head in. If Matt was here, he'd be making a face. Okay, got that. And then, there it fits. Oh, I can't. This is bananas, you guys. Look at how sick that is. That is amazing. I hope he displays it like that. I really do. This is the best. I think this is like my favorite version of all of the ones that we got so far because it's got the face hugger in the suit, the way that it was in the movie. And I am not known for being a purist when it comes to toys, but when it comes to Alien, hardcore purist. I mean, whoever thinks of like this detail, I mean, it's amazing, honestly. Like, I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna finish putting the accessories in. So this is the finished version that I would preference. I'm not sure how he would feel about it, but it is like his case and he'll just do whatever he wants. Price point is about the same. I feel like he pays somewhere between 25, 20, 30, something like this. Totally worth it for all of these. Like, the guys should get a raise, whoever did this. But I mean, this thing is a work of art, just all on its own. The colors, the detail, I mean, forget it. They think of everything, these people. That's it for today. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Let me know what you guys think. If there's anything that I missed or if you wish that I reviewed or said. Have a good night. Bye.